Welcome to this comprehensive lesson on haircutting services. Today, we'll guide you through every aspect of providing a haircut, from preparing for your client to performing the cut and following up afterwards. Whether you're new to haircutting or looking to refine your skills, this lesson will help you understand the importance of attention to detail throughout the entire process. We'll explore guidelines for client comfort, service overviews, rubrics for evaluation, and grooming add-ons. Let's start by considering how a thoughtful approach can transform a rushed appointment into a memorable experience for your client. Think back to a time when you booked a haircut appointment and felt rushed in and out. This scenario is common, but it's not ideal for building client loyalty. By paying attention to details before, during, and after the haircut service, you can ensure your clients feel valued and cared for. This lesson emphasizes the significance of each step in the process, helping you create a welcoming environment and a loyal client base. Let's inspire you to elevate your service by focusing on the little things that make a big difference. After completing this lesson, you'll be able to provide examples of guidelines that ensure client comfort and satisfaction during a haircut service. You'll also describe the three main areas of a haircut service and explain common grooming add-ons found in barbershops. These outcomes will help you deliver a more professional and enjoyable experience for your clients, setting you apart in the industry. Let's dive into the specifics and see how these skills can be applied in real-world scenarios. This lesson brings together everything you've learned about cutting theory, tools, skills, and guest relations. Understanding how these elements relate to foundational haircutting is essential for delivering consistent and high-quality results. By mastering the basics, you'll be able to adapt your techniques to suit each client's needs and preferences. Let's review how theory and practice combine to create a strong foundation for your haircutting services. To ensure your client's comfort and satisfaction, it's important to follow specific guidelines. Consider natural growth patterns and hair density, as well as the shape of the skull, especially at the crest and occipital areas. Avoid using sectioning clips when possible, as they may cause discomfort. Clip or comb hair away from the face so the client can see comfortably. When working with short hair, comb the hair away from the sectioning line to maintain visibility. These thoughtful actions help create a positive experience for your client. Choosing the right head position is crucial for judging projection, angles of partings, and finger position. Move the client's head slowly and gently when changing positions to avoid discomfort. When cutting very short areas, you may want to tilt the head to stretch the scalp and achieve more accurate results. These techniques help you maintain control and precision throughout the haircutting process, ensuring the client feels comfortable and secure. Taking clean partings is an essential step in haircutting. Comb each section into the direction it will be parted before actually parting the hair. Use the wide-toothed side of the cutting comb to part hair gently, minimizing discomfort. When hair becomes too short for traditional partings, imagine zones for the various lengths you'll be creating. This approach helps you maintain organization and precision, even with shorter styles. Distributing hair properly is key to achieving a balanced haircut. Use the fine teeth of the comb for distribution, especially with straight or fine hair. For thicker or curly hair, use the wide teeth of the comb to avoid pulling and causing discomfort. Understanding how to use your tools effectively ensures a smooth and pleasant experience for both you and your client. Ensuring the client's head is in the proper position is vital when measuring or determining the projection angle. Measure the projection angle from the natural fall or curve of the head and use a mirror to check your projection. These techniques help you maintain accuracy and consistency, resulting in a haircut that meets your client's expectations. Avoid applying excessive tension while holding hair with your fingers. Palm the shears to prevent accidental cuts to yourself or the client. Use the mirror to check your finger position, and when working with very short lengths, monitor your comb position, as it will determine the direction your clippers or trimmers will travel. These safety and precision tips are essential for a professional haircutting experience. For longer hair, establish a length guide for the design line in its natural fall first. For shorter hair, set a length guide in one area, often at the side, and let your client check it before proceeding. Make sure to hit your design line when cutting and avoid recutting it with each parting. This ensures consistency and helps you achieve the desired look efficiently. The haircut service is divided into three main areas: preparation, procedure, and completion. Preparation involves steps to follow before you begin the haircut, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth service. The procedure covers sculpting techniques used during the haircut to achieve predictable results. Completion includes steps to follow after the haircut, focusing on guest satisfaction and finishing touches. Understanding these areas helps you deliver a seamless and professional service. The 4 C's of service essentials are connect, consult, create, and complete. Connect establishes rapport and builds credibility. Consult analyzes client wants and needs, visualizes the end result, organizes the plan, and obtains client consent. Create produces functional, predictable, and pleasing results. Complete reviews the service experience, offers product recommendations, expresses appreciation, and provides follow-up. Mastering these steps ensures a holistic and satisfying client experience. Facial hair grooming is an important part of the haircutting service. This includes managing unwanted hair such as eyebrows, ear hairs, and nose hairs. For eyebrows, comb the hair in its natural direction and trim carefully. For ear and nose hairs, use the tips of trimmers with caution. These grooming add-ons enhance the overall appearance and comfort of your client, making your service more comprehensive. Throughout the lesson, check what you know questions help affirm your understanding of key points. These checkpoints ensure you're absorbing the material and can apply it in practice. By regularly reviewing your knowledge, you'll build confidence and competence in haircutting services. Let's continue to reinforce your learning with these helpful questions. The lesson continues with more check what you know questions, helping you affirm your grasp of essential concepts. These questions are designed to reinforce learning and ensure you're ready to implement the guidelines and techniques discussed. Take time to reflect on your answers and identify areas for improvement as you progress. Another set of check what you know questions helps you review your understanding of haircutting service essentials. These reviews are crucial for solidifying your knowledge and preparing you for real-world application. By consistently checking your progress, you'll be ready to deliver excellent service to your clients. As you reach the end of the lesson, it's important to validate your learning by celebrating what you've accomplished. Recognizing your progress boosts motivation and encourages continued growth. Take pride in mastering the skills and concepts covered and look forward to applying them in your haircutting services. Celebrate your achievements by acknowledging the skills and knowledge you've gained. This recognition is an important part of the learning process, helping you stay motivated and confident. As you continue to develop your haircutting abilities, remember to celebrate each milestone along the way. Take time to review and reflect on what you've learned throughout this lesson. Reviewing key concepts and techniques helps reinforce your understanding and prepares you for practical application. Reflection is a valuable tool for identifying strengths and areas for further improvement, ensuring you continue to grow as a professional. As we conclude this lesson, remember that mastering haircutting services requires dedication, practice, and a commitment to client comfort. By following the guidelines and techniques discussed, you'll be able to deliver exceptional service and build lasting relationships with your clients. Continue to refine your skills and embrace opportunities for growth in your professional journey. Preparation is the first step in any haircutting service. This involves setting up your tools, ensuring cleanliness, and reviewing the client's preferences and needs. A well-prepared environment sets the tone for a positive experience and demonstrates professionalism. Take time to organize your workspace and mentally prepare for the service ahead. Consultation is a critical part of the haircutting service. During this phase, you analyze the client's wants and needs, visualize the desired outcome, and organize a plan for follow-through. Obtaining client consent is essential before proceeding. Effective consultation builds trust and ensures you're aligned with the client's expectations. The creation phase involves executing the haircut using functional and predictable techniques. Focus on producing results that are both pleasing and practical for the client. Use your skills and tools effectively and maintain communication with the client to ensure satisfaction throughout the process. Completion is the final step in the haircutting service. Review the service experience with the client, offer product recommendations, express appreciation, and provide follow-up. These actions help ensure client satisfaction and encourage repeat business. Always finish your service with professionalism and gratitude. Understanding the tools and equipment used in haircutting is essential for delivering quality results. From combs and shears to clippers and trimmers, each tool has a specific purpose. Proper maintenance and usage ensure safety and effectiveness. Familiarize yourself with your tools and keep them in optimal condition. Cutting theory forms the foundation of all haircutting techniques. Understanding angles, projection, and sectioning helps you achieve the desired results. Apply theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios for consistent and predictable outcomes. Continually refine your understanding of cutting theory to stay ahead in your craft. Building strong guest relations is key to a successful haircutting service. Communicate clearly, listen actively, and respond to client needs. Positive interactions foster loyalty and encourage repeat visits, make every client feel valued and respected throughout their experience. Grooming add-ons such as facial hair trimming, eyebrow shaping, and ear or nose hair removal enhance the overall service. These extras show attention to detail and help clients feel their best. Incorporate grooming add-ons into your service for a comprehensive and satisfying client experience. In summary, mastering haircutting services involves understanding guidelines for client comfort, following structured service steps, and incorporating grooming add-ons. Continue to practice and refine your skills, always prioritizing client satisfaction. As you move forward, embrace opportunities for learning and growth and strive to deliver exceptional service every time.